Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: a clear icon, a 1-2 sentence description, and at least 3 channels you'll promote. Create an invite link with appropriate expiry and permissions so users land where you want them. Once done, check roles and channel visibility so new members can read guidelines instantly. You'll also note which public servers or directories accept ads and what format they require, because that shapes how you'll present your message. Move to crafting the ad next. You now write the ad, open with a concise hook, list 1 or 2 clear benefits, and finish with a single call to action plus the invite link. Format for readability. Use bold emojis and a 16:9 preview image to increase clicks. Post in chosen servers or ad channels during peak hours. Schedule repeats every 2 to 3 days and vary wording to avoid bans. Make sure your message complies with each server's rules, and track which postings get the best join rates. You finish by monitoring results. Check join and leave rates, welcome message delivery, and automatic role assignment accuracy. If you see no traffic, verify the invite works, that your image displays, and that you followed the destination server's ad rules. Broken invites or banned formatting are common issues. Make adjustments, rotate creatives, and update permissions. One quick troubleshooting tip: if nobody joins, recreate the invite with fresh permissions and test it in a private channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.